I'm Kate, and this is Kiko. Hello, Kiko. Kiko, what are we going to be doing today? That's right. Today we are going to be looking at sounds. Kiko, do you have the sound for today? You do? Can you go and get it for us, Kiko? Okay, off you go. I wonder what sound Kiko is going to bring for us today. He's coming back. What sound can you see? Do you know, Kiko? That's okay, I'm going to tell you. Today, our sound is E. Listen to me say it first. E, E, E. Now it's your turn, and just go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. E, E, E. Well done. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Kiko has some words with the E sound in them. Let's take a look.
E, E, dream. E, E, peach. E, E, read. E, E, beach.
You found some excellent words today, Kiko. Well done. Today, our sound was E. If you would like to learn about more sounds, just click on another one of our videos. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Or you can watch this video again to remind yourself of the sound we just learned. Yes, Kiko? You'd like to read a book? Okay, Kiko, I've got the perfect book for you. Wait there. This is your favourite book, isn't it, Kiko? Shall we start reading? Okay. Goodbye. See you next time. Once upon a time,